Hey, who stopped the music? Who did that?
Me?
Oh yeah, we're sorry. But you know what? Deal with it.
Sorry, but before you turn on your music, I have to say something.
What's that?
You dance horrible. Can I show you some moves? I'll show you how I dance in real.
You can't do nothing.
Oh, yes, I can. Who says I can't, huh? DJ, play the music better than that.
Sorry about that. I had no idea you Chihuahuas like this kind of music. Let me put on some good ones here.
Yes, thank you, DJ. To Hawaii.
Sorry about that.
To American.
I don't know anything about what birds like, what little Chihuahuas like. So.
I mean, you're ugly music.
How's that feel?
Oh yeah.
This is King Pig. Chihuahuas should not listen to music. Chihuahuas should not exist. Chihuahuas should be banned from existence in this world.
Mama's stinky sock that has a bum that makes you think.
You look like a stinky sock. No, I will not go to sleep. I will not be silenced. I will express my hatred towards Chihuahuas.
Get him, Papa Pig!
Good job, birds!